Hey, aloha everybody. Welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 244, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Hey, so one of the fun things about living in Hawaii is, you have your friends who give you the surf report. So I just got a call a few minutes ago that the surf might be up. So we're heading over to try and catch some waves. And it's been threatening rain most of the day, but so far we're doing good. So it brings to mind my idea for today's show, which is, being willing and able to just drop whatever's going on when the surf is up and catch some good waves. Mind you, it's 5 o'clock. It's technically the end of the day. We have a bad tendency, me and secret cameraman, to work long past, hang on there, Lexi, long past 5 p.m., depending on what's on our table. And we're really trying to use Hawaii to help break us of that habit. So I share that goal with you, and if any of you have any tips for being less of a workaholic, I'd sure love to hear it. And oh man, it's windy and rough out there, so we'll be having some waves. I'd like to remind you please to vote for us at the Vloggies, and instructions are on the website. You have only until this Friday, so only 2 more days by the time we put this show up to do the voting. And please read the webpage and vote for us as Best Vlog, Best Female Video Blogger, or Best Entertainment Nonfiction. Love to have your vote and your support. Aloha everybody, it's windy and I'm off to the waves. Let's go, Lexi, let's go. Where's Brent? There's Brent! And someone else, hi! Hey, thanks for joining us here on a wild and surf-ridden beach walks today. If you'd like to Skype, you can do so at Roxanne Darling, or you can call 949-544-1456. And a friend just told me that on the Vloggies, make sure you look for my name, Roxanne Darling, or for Beach Walks with Rocks, because they're listed under different, both of those names. So anyway, thanks everybody. Aloha and ahui ho.